Bruxism is grinding or clenching of the teeth, and it wears the teeth over time. It can cause things like root canal, fractured teeth, things like that, so it really needs to be treated. We make a occlusal guard, or some people call it a night guard, and it keeps the teeth from coming together and it helps save the teeth. I have some patients that brux or clench during the daytime. So basically I call it a bruxing appliance. You wear that whenever you're doing it. It's very important to wear it at night because most patients don't think they brux, but typically you brux more at night than when you're awake.